Good morning, beautiful. You made it to day 12. You've been showing up for yourself breath by breath, day by day. And today we offer love, not just to the world, but to you. So get comfortable. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw unclench. Let the day soften around you. Take a slow breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Feel yourself land in this moment. No rush, no performance, just you being. Now gently place your hand over your heart and feel it rise and fall with your breath. You're going to repeat a few phrases quietly in your mind. But before we begin, I want you to picture yourself sitting in a quiet field at sunrise. The sky is painted in soft pinks and gold. A warm breeze brushes your cheek, and the light feels like love. Hold that image gently, and now say to yourself, "May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be peaceful. May I live with ease." Say them again slower this time, and let them sink into your heart like rain soaking the earth. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be peaceful. May I live with ease. Now, bring someone to mind that you care about. A friend, a parent, a child, a mentor. See their face clearly in your heart. Imagine them smiling. And to them, silently send these words. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you live with ease. If emotions rise, let them. That's love flowing through you. Now bring someone neutral to mind. Someone you see but don't know well. Maybe a delivery driver, a woman at the market, the man who walks past your house every morning. Visualize their face and send them kindness. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you live with ease. You don't need to know someone to wish them well. Now, take a breath. This next part might feel hard. Bring someone to mind who challenges you, someone who's hurt you or triggered you. Not the deepest wound, just a pebble in your shoe. Breathe gently as best you can, whisper, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you live with ease." You're not condoning anything. You're just choosing peace over pain. Now, imagine your kindness expanding, spreading out like ripples in a lake. See light leaving your heart, moving into your home, into your neighborhood, across oceans, blanketing the world. Send this final wish to all living beings. May we all be happy. May we all be healthy. May we all be peaceful. May we all live with ease. Rest in the warmth of that love for a moment. You've just changed the frequency of your day, of your body, of your world. That's the power you carry. Now gently return to your breath. Hand on your heart. Say softly to yourself, "I am love. I give love. I receive love." Take one last full inhale. And exhale with a soft smile. When you're ready, open your eyes. Bring this compassion with you into the day. See you tomorrow, beautiful. You're doing such a good job.